We shall discuss the short story Boys and Girls by Alice Munro, which also talks about the gender roles. And in here we have a boy and a girl. The girl is the elder one and boy is very young, almost like a toddler we can say, but a little above of that age. He is very young one, an infant we can say. So this particular story is written by Alice Munro, and then this girl, it is written in the first person narrative, as though written by this girl, as though it is in her words that we understand, it is her point of view that we understand this particular story. So their father is a fox farmer. Why he rear fox is that he used to kill the fox, take its hide and used to bury the remains like the flesh. Okay, that is what he used to do. The mother doesn't like all this, him doing this, taking out the hide and all from the house, like from the premises of the house. She doesn't like this. But these two children, they don't feel alarmed or they are not startled by this. What their father is doing. Then there is also mentioning about Henry Bailey, one who used to help the father regarding all these matters. Then we may be wondering what he must be giving these foxes to eat. So actually, this father used to buy old horses and he would kill them, and that flesh he would use to feed the fox. And he would kill the fox when time comes and take its hide. That is the process. Then two horses were brought, which was Mac and Flora. Two horses were bought, Mac and Flora. Mac is male and Flora is female. And Mac was killed, and these two children, they were determined to see how this is being done, and they went to see it. These children were determined to see how this horse is killed, how this horse is shot dead, and they hide in a particular barn area, and then they both see how it is being killed, how it is being shot, and how it struggles, and how this Henry Bailey, the helper, how he laughs at the horse being struggling while it is dying. And these two children, like unexpectedly, like we expect them to be too shocked or be scared and all, they just watch it like some event that is happening. Then they understood that this is how they kill, and then they saw Flora, and they actually grew close to these horses. So one day, like when Flora was Flora was about to be killed, Flora escaped, and then that there was a particular gate, and this girl was supposed to close that gate so that Flora won't escape. She did not do anything, and Flora escaped. Then finally, but that is of no use for sure. A horse, how long can it go? How can it escape? So these people, they went and they brought it back and they killed Flora. And this younger one, the previous time he never used to tell all the secrets, he never used to reveal, but this time he revealed that it is all because of her. She let that Flora, that horse, escape. Then she did not get much of scolding, but then the story ends saying that that is what she could do. For sure that horse cannot escape, but at least she wanted to do something and she did it. The main Flora being of female gender, so that horse being of female gender, like again it shows like how this girl, she did her maximum to save that particular horse. And even though she was sure that this horse will not escape in long run, but still she did what she could do. So that is how the story ends.